a fruit salad. You need a strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, kiwi, and apple, kumquat, lemon, and honey to make the sauce. You're done cutting the fruit, you pour them in and then you mix them up. Now we pour the honey. Now I make a sauce with kumquat and lemon and honey. After you mix the sauce, you pour it in. After you're done mixing, you get ready to eat. It's good, Mommy.
That's good. You want to make these again?
Yeah. Thank you for watching, everyone.